Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch control your Audi S5. First, ensure your vehicle is at operating temperature and you are in a safe, open area. Launch control provides maximum acceleration from a standstill, so proper preparation is key. This feature is designed for track use, not public roads, to prevent excessive wear. Always prioritize safety and follow all traffic laws when driving. To activate launch control, begin by selecting dynamic mode within your Audi Drive Select system. Next, you'll need to fully disable the Electronic Stabilization Program, or ESP, by pressing and holding the ESP button for a few seconds until it confirms it's off. With these settings engaged, firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot, preparing for the next step. Once the brake is firmly pressed, quickly and fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. You'll notice the engine RPM will stabilize at an optimal level, indicating launch control is engaged. This is the system preparing for maximum power delivery. When you are ready, swiftly release the brake pedal. The car will then accelerate with impressive force, utilizing its full potential. After experiencing the thrill of launch control, it's important to allow your Audi S5's engine and transmission to cool down properly. Frequent use of this feature can put significant stress on components, so moderation is key for longevity. Remember, this powerful function is best reserved for controlled environments. For more details on your vehicle's specific capabilities, always consult your owner's manual. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.